I remember when I was 7 or 8 years old, my grandpa took me to a friend's place, and his friend had a little red dirt bike. I think it was a 60cc, and that was the first time I was riding a motorcycle. And when I get older, I think I was 17, my dad took me to a place and he just let me ride a Yamaha R1. I think it was the model RN12, and he showed me really how to handle the throttle, how to clutch, how to shift gears, and that's where it's all started. Oh, I can answer that pretty simple. I grew up, today everybody is watching YouTube because this is part of the generation we live in. But when I grew up, I just watched things like Motorcycle Mania. I watched Good Times with Carrie Hart. I watched Disposable Hero with Brian Deegan. The Metal Militia, the Krusty Demons, all that I watched on VHS, and yeah, that's the kind of guys I was looking up to when I was little. Well, that's a good question. I had a lot of motorcycles till this day now, but when I look back on all the bikes I had, I would really say I miss my Yamaha R1, the flat black gold edition. It was a RN22, and I would say I miss my KTM 640 LC Supermoto with a special Rockstar design. That was a fun bike to ride. Yeah, I would go with these two. So I decided to ride a Ducati. I would not ride any Ducati. I want especially this one I own right now, because I think that's the perfect bike for the streets. You can ride fast, you can go fast around corners, and it's comfortable to ride, and you have the power of a super sport bike, and you have the handling like a supermoto. So that's why I decided to go with a Hyper 821. I would say yes, but not really. I was never a big guy into the chopper culture, and I was not a big chopper guy. I started to ride choppers 2018 when Mike and I decided to bring out the beer club, and he was the guy. He always said, oh, one day you will ride a chopper, and yeah, he was right. I did a few since that day, but am I really a chopper guy? I would say no. Yeah, thanks for watching. It was a short video, something different language, but yeah, stay tuned. Next video will be. So as always, catch you in the next one. Bye bye.